Hello everyone, welcome to how to solve this very nice algebra equation 2x minus 3 over x minus 1 whole squared plus 2x minus 3 over x minus 2 whole squared equal to 48. Our job is to find all possible values of x. So let's start. First we divide both sides by 4, so this will become 1 over 4 times 2x minus 3 divided by x minus 1 whole squared plus 1 over 4 times 2x minus 3 divided by x minus 2 whole squared equal to 48 divided by 4. Now this 1 over 4 is same as 1 over 4 is same as 1 over 2 whole squared. So this will become 2 times x minus 3 divided by 2x minus 2 whole squared plus this will become 2x minus 3 divided by 2x minus 4 whole squared equal to 12. Now we suppose that let 2 times x minus 3 equal to u. So the equation will become u divided by u plus 1 whole squared plus u divided by u minus 1 whole squared equal to 12. Now this will become u squared divided by u plus 1 whole squared plus this will become u squared divided by u minus 1 whole squared equal to 12. We can factor out u squared, and in bracket left 1 divided by u plus 1 whole squared plus 1 divided by u minus 1 whole squared equal to 12. Now we take the LCM of these two denominators, so the LCM is u plus 1 whole squared times u minus 1 whole squared. So this u minus 1 whole squared times 1 u minus 1 whole squared plus u plus 1 whole squared times 1 u plus 1 whole squared, and this u squared equal to 12. Next u squared times expand this u minus 1 whole squared, this will become u squared minus 2 times u plus 1. Expand this u plus 1 whole squared, this will become plus u squared plus 2 times u plus 1 divided by this will become u squared minus 1 whole squared, and this is equal to 12. Now this 2u will be cancelled with this negative 2u, and u squared plus u squared will become 2u squared, and this 1 plus 1 will become plus 2 divided by expand this u squared minus 1 whole squared, this will become u to the power 4 minus 2u squared plus 1 times this u squared equal to 12. Now from these two terms we can factor out 2. So this will become 2u squared times u squared plus 1 divided by this expression u to the power 4 minus 2u squared plus 1 equal to 12. And from here if we divide both sides by 2, this implies that u squared times u squared plus 1 divided by u to the power 4 minus 2 2u squared plus 1 equal to 6. Now if we multiply both sides by this denominator, this implies that u squared times u squared plus 1 equal to 6 times u to the power 4 minus 2u squared plus 1. U squared times u squared will become u to the power 4, and u squared times 1 plus u squared equal to 6 times u to the power 4, 6u to the power 4, and 6 times negative 2u squared, negative 12u squared. 6 times 1 plus 6. Move these two terms to the right hand side, then this will become 6 times u to the power 4 minus u to the power 4 minus 12u squared minus u squared plus 6 equal to 0. Further simplify, this will become 5u to the power 4 minus 13u squared plus 6 equal to 0. Now we suppose that let u squared equal to t. So this equation will become 5 times t squared minus 13 times t plus 6 equal to 0. This quadratic equation is factorable. We write this 5t squared, 5t squared. We break this negative 13t into two terms, negative 10 times t minus 3 times t plus 6 equal to 0. From these two terms we can factor out 5 times t, in bracket left t minus 2, and from these two terms we can factor out negative 3, in bracket left t minus 2 equal to 0, and this t minus 2 is a common factor, so we factor out this t minus 2, and in bracket left 5 times t minus 3 equal to 0. From here, either this expression t minus 2 equal to 0, or this expression 5 times t minus 3 equal to 0. From this equation we get the value of t equal to 2, and from this equation we get the value of t equal to 3 over 5. Since we have supposed that u squared equal to t, so this will become u squared equal to 2 and u squared equal to 3 over 5. Now if we take a square root of both sides, this implies that u is equal to plus or minus root 2, and if we take a square root of both sides of this equation, this implies that u is equal to plus or minus root 3 over 5, and this is same as plus or minus root 3 divided by root 5. To rationalize the denominator, we multiply and divide by root 5. So this will become plus or minus root 15 divided by 5. So we have 4 values of u. U is equal to plus minus root 15 over 5, and this one u is equal to plus minus root 2. Now recall that we have supposed that 2 times x minus 3 equal to u. So when u is plus minus root 2, then this will become 2 times x minus 3 equal to plus minus root 2, and this implies that x is equal to 3 plus minus root 2 divided by 2. This is first and second solution. So from this case we get two solutions. Now from the second case, this will become 2 times x minus 3 is equal to plus minus root 15 over 5. Move this negative 3 to the right hand side. This will become 2 times x equal to 3 plus or minus root 15 over 5. Can write the denominator 1 and we take the LCM of this 1 and 5. The LCM is 5. So this 5 times 3 will become 15 plus minus this root 15 equal to 2x, and this implies that x is equal to 15 plus minus root 15 divided by 2 times 5 will become 10. This is third and fourth solution. So we have 4 solutions for this equation.